dun dun dun! Wait. Choking hazard? How can you choke on this? Hey everybody, it's me, Gabby again. Welcome back to my channel. Please ignore the baby birds that are upstairs neighbors. Today we're going to be unboxing something new, so let's get started. Today we're going to be unboxing this Amazon box that came, so let's get started. I have my trusty scissors. Oh, it's the wrong trusty scissors. Well, my second pair of trusty scissors to help me. Thank you. I got CollectA horses. A bunch of they just put them in there like that. These two. I mean, yeah, well, these two. I got two of each the same, but they just put these two without any kind of wrapping. But let's just dump all these out, and I'm not gonna dump them out that way. I'm just gonna put them here and then show you all of them. What? Oh my gosh! They sent me two little baby dinosaurs. I guess it's an extra. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they're so tiny. That was gotta be a raptor. And this one, I have no idea. It's like a turtle alligator. A turtigator. I don't know, but they're so cute. Little freebies. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're CollectA as well. Velociraptor and Leopleuroleurodon, whatever. But yeah, let's open the Zoya or whatever it is, Pololoyoya or whatever. I want to see these guys. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. It's a turtle alligator. Look, it's a turtigator. Or a girdle? Girdle! Oh my gosh. Yeah, really. How cute. Oh, it's kind of bendy. Yeah. And it's, wait, let me try to read this better. Leopleuroleurodon. Leopleuroleurodon. Whatever. Yeah, here it is. Now let's open the Velociraptor. I know what this is. Jurassic Park. Jurassic World. Second part is coming out this year. Yeah. Ah! Oh my gosh, flat tail? That's interesting. I didn't know they had a flat, feathery looking tail. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, its toes are up! Its toes are up like it's calling the rest of them. How they tap on the ground. Oh, how cute. How adorable is that? The tail is bendy. And the little hands. Oh, the little hands move! Oh my gosh. And the jaw, oh, it doesn't. The tongue does. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? It looks furry. I'm glad that I'm not keeping it the original color because look at that. Like a number. 1, 2, 5. The other one has a 2, so it might be like a brand, but it sure doesn't look like a brand. And I don't think they would ever put it on like the most sensitive part of the horse. So, I don't know. But she is really, really beautiful. Wow. And the sculptor's name is? I will remember this. I wanted to get resins, but I decided to settle for these, and she makes the resins, she sells them on Etsy, the same thing, this mold. Like the same, mini pearl. This is it. I can't believe I forgot. Wait. Oh. Wait. This is completely stupid. How can I forget? Wait, maybe it has it somewhere. It doesn't tell me anything. Typical Breyer doesn't tell you who makes the mold. Come on. Who made you? Tell me. What's the name of your creator? Tell me. Deborah McDermott! I remembered. Oh. These are bodies. That sound. Let's start with Mini Pearl. Oh, she stands. Look at the hair and the tail on the. Oh my gosh. Now this is an Arabian. Why can't Shrike do poses like this? Like, come on. Like, it can't be that hard to do poses like this. Come on. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And let me just say that she doesn't have as much herring detail as Shrike does, but the the details that she does have are incredible. Like the wrinkles by the lifted leg and everything, and even like from above you can see the shape of her. That's totally like Arabian shape. They're kind of weird like that. And of course the eyes. I mean, look at how the eyes are, you know? It's crazy. It's so crazy. And like the neck part and the wrinkles by the shoulder. Super realistic, like wrinkles and other like muscly parts. Like the leg is super muscly, which is true because Arabians, their legs have muscles, and you see like, yeah, it's amazing, so amazing. I bought 2 of each, so let's see if this other one stands. Oh yeah, she stands. Yeah, perfect. Okay, Missouri Foxtrotter mare. What? Okay, I have to find the level. Well, I don't know. This is probably not straight. But I should put on something straight to really find out, but I'm just kind of showing you. She stands kind of on the back of her hoof here, which is, she's supposed to be like that, because even the resin by Deborah McDermott, yes, I remember her name, is also like that, so. Let me just say, though, like, the butt is, like, perfect. Like, the proportions, that's what I meant to say. The proportions are, like, really, really good, because, for instance, the stomach, it goes deep here, but it doesn't go deep here or here. Sometimes Shrike makes it all one level, and it's not really that realistic. And, like, those little holes kind of thing in the tail, that's also very realistic. But Shrike only did it on, like, a few horses. The only one that I can really remember is a Nutstrubber mare who falls over all the time, so I don't really see the point in her tail being so fancy when she just won't stand up. But, yeah. The ears are spectacular. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at the face. Like, the bones and everything on the face. That's, like, probably one of the most realistic small models I've seen in a while. Like, with all the face details. That's really incredible. So incredible. Second one stands better. I might have to make a base for that other one, but we'll see. This guy is incredible. I believe, yeah, he's an Andalusian stallion, and he stands up perfectly on 3 legs. Most Shrike horses can't even stand on 4 legs, so it's very, very amazing. But he is so pretty. Like, look at this. His hair flying up here. That's just amazing. And his tail. Oh my gosh, he's so pretty. And his whole everything. Oh my gosh. And you can tell that he is like a bigger horse. Like, Shrike often does poses that sometimes, like, rather not poses, but different breeds. Like, for instance, the Appaloosa stallion and the quarter horse stallion. I believe they're even on the same mold. But the thing is, Appaloosas have very short faces compared to other horses. And quarter horses have regular size face, like a Hanoverian or a standard bred. But Shrike just makes it in like the same mold or just the same size face. And these ones, you see, you can totally tell. Missouri Foxtrotters are overall smaller than Andalusians. And you can totally tell, and not just because this is a mare, but you can totally tell that the face, everything, is just smaller a bit. And the nose, the nostrils, everything. It's really amazing. And even the hoofs. It's amazing. So amazing. Wow. And him compared to an Arabian, you can tell that, well, Arabians' faces are long. They're long and like a crazy shape, but you can tell that it's a different horse, you know? Like, Andalusians do have this more down nose, and they did it on this guy. And on Arabians, they obviously have dished noses, so it's perfect. And Missouri Foxtrotters, they have like a, kind of like a slightly dished nose. So they really did these very good, and that's like an A+. Just I wish they did more like hair detail on them. That's like the only thing I would say, really. And more material, more like Schleich, because it's kind of like it sounds weird when you hit it against something. But like, if you go by fast, it sounds like, it's kind of weird, like how they sound. It's the same material, but it seems like it's not in a way. Like, it's kind of confusing me, but yeah. But anyway, about this guy, I just absolutely love his hair. Like, well, mane. His mane is amazing, and he looks good from any side angle, anything. Like, look at this side with this part of his mane here. It's like his forelocks. It's incredible. And his tail, of course, looks good from any angle, anything, and his mane is a lot of it, and it's flying. You can tell that it's flying. Another thing about Schleich is that they don't make their horses' manes fly. It's like stuck to them too much. Like, yeah, sometimes horses do have manes that are just kind of, you know, attached to them, even on this one. But it's still flying. You can still see individual strands flying. So it is different. Like, look at this Arabian. That's total Arabian attitude right there. Like, total. A+. That is weird. Wait, what year is... What? Something's going on here. Where is his date? 2011? 2011. I don't get it. Why is this one glossy? Like, this one kind of seems a little bit shinier and this one matte. It's interesting. This guy... are these different sizes? No. That's weird. This one's ears are longer. And this one's ears are shorter. Like, that is interesting. Well, I mean, I don't care. Oh, tail? Yeah. That's weird. They're kind of a little bit different. Not like I care, but that's just kind of fascinating. Anyway, let's see if this glossy guy stands up. He should. Yeah. There you go. Wow, he's so cool. Considering they put like 6 of them in one box, they're like in very good shape. Like, they're not bent out of proportion, and they're not like no ears broken. They're more bendy than Schleich, and maybe that makes a difference. Like, something. But yeah, this is my CollectA horse body loot. These mini pearls are going to have some special... These mini pearls are going to have some special treatment. They're going to be really awesome looking. And, of course, all the other ones will be too. I'll try my best, but look out for them. They might be for sale on my Etsy shop after I paint them, so make sure to check it out. Thank you for watching, guys, and we'll see you all next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and pray for these horses that they survive.